101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually, every Wednesday, of course, at 7 p.m., we have a special program, Smart Up Your Life, English discussion, Smart FM with English communities. And of course, I'm here with me, Erdesam, and I'm not alone here, guys, smart listeners and viewers at home. We have friends from views communities, of course, in East Indonesia, South Sulawesi, and especially in Makassar. And here we are. Hi, guys. Hey, come on, use this, please. Come on. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Good
How
to
are
be
you?
here.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You?
Really, really good.
Really, really good.
Just
Even
soaking wet.
even heavy rain, right?
Yeah, even if it's heavy rain in
Yes.
outside.
Okay. Welcome back. As usually, yeah, of course, we have still waiting our friends because actually we have 4 members to join with us and of course discuss with me. And of course, guys, you may leave comment on YouTube channel Smart FM 101.1, of course. And yeah, please follow, subscribe, and leave the comment. You may ask everything, anything to us, and of course, for 1 hours, of course, smart listeners and viewers at home may listen this radio, of course. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite our friends from views communities in Makassar. While we're waiting our friends in another peoples. Okay, let me start from you please introduce yourself to smart listeners. Yes.
Okay.
To smart listeners and viewers at home, what is your name, what is your English club, what about the agenda and the schedule, please? Come on, tell me.
Okay. So, good evening. Thank you so much for the opportunities
Yeah,
and
good
having me
evening.
again here.
Mhm.
It's never a first time, but glad to be here again once more. My name is Fauzan.
Okay, Fauzan.
Akmal Fauzan to be complete, but you can call me Fauzan. Viewers at
Mhm.
home.
Mhm.
I'm from a small community called PMEC. It's
Okay,
Poltek
what
Bar
stand for?
Makassar English
Mhm.
Club. So it's a very, very small communities, but inclusive only to Poltek Bar Makassar students. So
okay.
if you want to meet us or check us out, we have Instagram
Okay.
at PMEC_info. with
Okay.
double O.
What about the schedule?
We conducted a meeting every Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
It's a weekly meeting. Sometimes we do held a field trip every semester. Or
So if smart listeners and viewers at home want to ask anything, do not hesitate to DM, the
DM
Instagram.
us or meet us directly at Poltek Bar Makassar.
Okay, come on, Brian, come on, have a seat,
Come on.
please. Okay, do not hesitate. You are the immortal backup. Oh, come on, welcome. Yeah. Okay, I move to you, please. Again, to smart listeners at home, please.
Hello,
Time is yours.
hello, smart listeners, and for those who watch us on live stream in YouTube, and for those who watch first time, I will introduce myself. My name is Fadel, and I'm representative of Meta Matcha English Talk Assembly. And you can follow us at Matcha Community. I'm heavy at it right now, but again, our activities is we're rare right now. It's not monthly, but yes, sometimes we had activities like going outside or inside in our office at Perintis Kemerdekaan,
Okay.
like watching movies, or we have some activity games like quizzes, something like that.
What about the place or location of the meta?
Well, it's I don't know what to say.
It's nomaden.
Yes, nomaden.
It's
yes,
always
we're
change the
nomad.
place, right?
Yes,
Okay,
like
it's interesting.
Garmedia
Uh-huh.
or in Unhas or just simply in our office at Perintis Kemerdekaan.
Oh, welcome back. Yeah,
Yeah.
welcome in our second home, Fadil.
Okay.
Next. Are you okay with the heavy rain?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, nice to see you this evening.
Nice to see you too.
Okay, please
Okay.
to smart listeners and viewers at home.
Smart listener. My name is Ahmad Ariandi. You can call me Rian. I representative from BPEC,
Mm-hmm.
Menteng Panjua English Club.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can join every Sunday morning
Okay.
at 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Yes.
Until
Until 2 a.m.
Okay. What about the agenda inside the item of the event?
In BPC, we discuss about the topic that we will discuss, and after that we will debate.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we will debate it after that.
Okay, so welcome back, Rian, in
Welcome
our
back.
second home.
Okay, welcome.
Okay, giving applause for us for our mood booster. Come on, once again, giving applause for us. Yeah. Yes, as I mentioned, I promised that I would actually want to mention our topic for this evening. But before I'm going to mention our topic, I want to make opening teasing. And this evening we were talking about money. It's everything about money, money, money. Yeah, but this money actually talking about how we save our money, how we put ourselves in health things, how we make sure that our future is guaranteed, something like that. And that's why, in other words, we call this topic as financial freedom. Giving applause for us once again. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Please use
100%
this.
sure.
Come on. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ready. Okay. I'm switch. Do you have a coin? I want to. No. Kidding. Okay. I start from Fadel. Yes. Yeah. The general question. You know the poll, the firm. What do you think about our topic for this evening? The financial freedom.
Well, it was really interesting topic though, because I was at before. I don't know what to say. It's just
Yeah. Combine in bahasa, please. Come on. When you start in English.
Okay. When I was in psychology, study at psychology.
Yes.
Yes. We talk much more about financial freedom about it in our studies, like economic psychology and consumer psychology.
Yes.
And also, before I was graduate, I learned about something about financial freedom, and it turns out it was so complicated. We was having multifaceted. It's just
Okay.
not simply like you have debt free
Uh-huh.
or you have wealthy or something else. It's just like an iceberg. If you look at the tip of the
Oh my
iceberg,
God, iceberg.
yeah, it's like
Okay.
a tip of iceberg. When
Mm.
when I say like debt free and having wealthy,
Yeah.
and but deep down of it,
Mhm.
there was motivation. You
Mhm.
need discipline. You
Okay.
need factors of psychologies,
Okay.
like like you're not heavy spending too much or
Mhm.
shopaholic,
Okay.
and also you need financial literacy, and
Mhm.
also, well, it depends on our government, policy about
Okay.
financial freedom.
Oh, very
Yes,
nice
to reach financial
explanation.
yes.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Okay, what about you? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay.
Come on.
Oh no, me.
Uh-huh.
It's of course it was a unique topic as usual. It's very
Mhm.
unique every week, but this one is touching the financial
Mhm.
freedom, touching the financial issues that people
Yeah.
sometimes have.
Mm.
But it's good to talk about it. I think most of people dream about
Mhm.
financial freedom,
Mhm.
aren't they?
Mm.
But most of them can't even achieve it. Most of them because simply, well, they don't have the means for it.
Mhm.
So let's talk about this
Mm.
topic in here.
Mhm.
I'm happy to show you.
Mhm.
I'm happy to talk.
Mhm.
Let's share.
Happy.
What we
Everything is
have.
happy. Everyone is happy here, of course.
Let's share what
Mhm.
we know about
Uh-huh.
financial literacy and financial freedom.
Our offline viewers there are confusing what we're talking about.
What?
Say hello, hi. Okay, ya, I mean penonton kita yang di studio masih sedikit menerka-nerka ini ngomongin apa gitu ya. Okay, thank
Financial
you.
freedom.
You save your statement.
Yeah,
You keep your statement.
that's okay.
Okay. Next, okay. Our topic is financial freedom, merdeka keuangan. Ya, bebas keuangan. How do you think about our topic for this evening,
Yeah,
Brian?
talking about the financial
Financial
freedom,
freedom, yes.
yeah. Everybody wants to be the financial freedom, yeah.
Mm,
Because
yeah.
uh, they already save their money for a year, for a month, for
Yeah.
a day,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, we
Do
will.
you?
Yeah,
Do you?
a little bit.
Little bit. Okay, okay, come on.
Okay. Talking about financial freedom. Uh, they the people will save their money, of course.
Right.
But uh,
Yeah.
but unfortunately,
Mhm.
the people who are workaholic, yeah,
yeah.
they want to struggle to s- to
To
get
get
yeah
a
to
lot
get
of
a lot of money,
right.
and forget about the healing.
Uh,
Yeah.
is
Uh,
everybody here always healing or
uh,
hilang?
uh, s-
Is everybody?
Like-
just a little bit,
A little bit.
little bit in outside.
Mm.
Uh, they are workaholic.
Yeah.
They work until they
Mhm.
forget what.
To release the stress.
Yeah, to release the
Yeah.
stress.
They just only
Yeah,
do
they-
did a workaholic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Then
Without
they
release the
always
stress.
work every
Work, work,
day
and work.
without resting.
It's like a bored, right?
Mm-mm.
Bored
Bo-
activity.
Yeah,
Boring.
boring.
Yes. Okay, give your statement.
thank you.
Okay, we will want to remind the smart listeners at home. You may leave the comment. Yeah, say hello to us. Come on. And yeah, leave the comment, of course. And do not then don't forget to share with another peoples. Yeah, to see our program. To educate, yeah, smart listeners, of course. Okay, I move to you.
Oh, me again.
Yes.
Hello.
As a Gen Z,
Yeah.
Z generation,
Yeah.
right? How do you see the Gen Z as a country's future? Is Gen Z will succeed
Mhm.
about financial freedom?
Okay.
Do you get the point?
I get it. Point.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me answer the question. Okay, talking about Gen Z.
Mhm.
Gen Z are. I'm talking about facts here. So you're welcome to check it. But here is some facts I learned.
Mhm.
Gen Z are the very first generations that are having the highest percentage about financial literacy.
Mm.
I'm not kidding. I've seen the data. I know some of my friends are also Gen Z, but they
Mhm.
have known.
But
investment.
they
They
spending a
know-
lot of money, Gen Z. Always
Okay.
nongkrong.
Always hang out with their friends.
Yes,
Of course.
it is.
But I know for a fact that they also learning to save for their future.
Mm.
They have investment. They have in what you call stock market.
Mm,
They
mm.
know everything
That
the
saham,
previous-
something like
yeah,
that. Mm,
stock.
yes. Yeah.
that the previous generation doesn't even know about. So
Mhm.
it's safe to say Gen Zs are the new generations, and they
Mhm.
will achieve it if they work hard enough to understand financial literacy.
Is this a big challenge or dilemma?
It is a big challenge to
Big
face.
challenge, okay.
Not every Gen Z would succeed,
Mm.
but most of them will.
Yeah,
they
I
are-
agree.
Do hard enough to make
Mhm.
to achieve those financial freedom.
Mhm.
But again, it depends on
Mhm.
the people.
Oh,
Yes.
It's not depend on the generation,
Yeah,
the type of
no,
but it's
never.
depend on the people,
Yeah.
the individual.
The individuals and
personality.
how they found a way
Okay.
to achieve those financial freedom status in their lives.
Oh yeah.
I wish to achieve that as well, but I'm
Mhm.
still very far off. So
Mhm.
pray for me.
You are like a host also. Oh my god. Okay, back up me. Okay, I'll move to Brian. Okay, the question is similar, actually the same. Yeah.
Hmm?
How do you see as a Gen Z,
Yeah.
as a country's future generation? Do you think a Gen Z will be success about financial freedom?
Yeah, it will be. It will be happen
Why?
because, yeah, I see the
Mhm.
Gen Z.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's really work hard
Yeah.
to achieve what they want
Mhm.
because they born in the
Urgency hard worker?
huh?
Hard worker? Urgency?
Not really.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Continue.
I mean,
Uh-huh.
they are a little bit. The Gen Z is work
Uh-huh.
hard to
Mhm.
achieve what they want, but again, unfortunately, I see the Gen Z. They just want to apply the
Mhm.
job that related
Yeah.
to their self.
But question, Gen Z, it's very popular. They are mastering digital, but
Yeah.
unfortunately, the Gen Z actually, the fact is, they are like spending their time to nongkrong.
Yeah.
And of course, absolutely, if they nongkrong,
Yeah,
if you are guys nongkrong, you
because
will
they are
spend a lot of money. So how could it be you can save your money
be,
to get the financial freedom?
because they were born in the digital era, yeah.
Yeah.
uh, and because of that, they work depend on the digital,
Ah.
like smartphone,
Uh-huh.
like anything else.
Mm.
Yeah. So I see they just focus from the digital, not for
Ah,
yeah,
yeah.
not
Not
for
conventional but modern. How
yeah,
to
modern.
produce the money, sorry. Maybe they to be content creator
Yeah, content
and
creator.
create the money
Create them
from
from
digital
digital, yeah,
platform,
digital
right?
platform, yeah.
Yes, because you are guys very innovative, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They forget to hang out to with their friend.
Okay, okay, okay.
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 And yeah, I think
You keep
that's
your statement,
yeah,
right? Okay.
that's all.
Okay, thank you. Brian, okay, I move to you. Are you okay?
Yeah, for those who watch us, me,
Okay.
I'm having freezing in my knees.
Yeah.
Because I taken a cold shower and
Mhm.
the heavy rain also affects me, my
Uh-huh.
body.
Okay, but thank you for your information about
Yes.
it. So my question is, are you sure that how do you think about the Gen Z as a country's futures that it will be succeed to get the financial freedom as a Gen Z? Because guys, you are very like to nongkrong, right? Spending a
Yes,
lot of
having
money,
out, yes.
having out.
Hanging
Uh-huh.
out,
Actually,
yeah.
I don't usually take hangout anymore since I graduate psychology,
Okay.
Okay, so but about Gen Z, what to succeed, it's kind of worrying. I don't know what to say, but it's really worrying because it depends of those people in Gen Z. But our generation, like us, are much more fear of mixing out. Say fear of missing out is having doom spending or like healing
Mhm.
or go to cinema or concert.
Concert,
Yes,
yes.
and hang out much more in an expensive or fancier restaurant or
Oh, yeah.
cafes,
Uh-huh.
and also I don't know what to say. Yeah,
Come on.
just when I look at them, my friends like me, they're doing online gambling
Oh.
and they're doing
Sudah.
loaning. Loaning is pinjaman online.
Online
Yes.
loans, pinjol.
And
Vintage.
yes,
Yeah,
vintage.
Okay.
And
Financial.
also, yeah, yeah, it's
Yeah,
just like,
something like that. It's like a big challenge also
yes,
to Gen Z.
yeah,
But actually, not only Gen Z
yes,
about talking about the financial freedom, but all of generation. This
yes,
is a very big challenge. How to make it deal, how to organizing, how to face the problem, right?
yes. It's not
Mhm.
just internal factors like do not doom spending or something like that is, the external factors like our government policies, like raising minimal standard wage. Oh, I'm so sorry to say, sir. It's just very sensitive. But if I say to you as a son of entrepreneur, I say to you and I say to this last one.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Do not depend on your minimum wages. You need to do more. Do not work hard. Also, you need to work smart. Like invest. Like
not only hard work, work
Yes.
hard, but only smart.
yes, obligation. Like you need to invest. Like obligation.
Okay.
Stock.
Like obligasi. I mean,
Yes.
reksadana.
I see.
Index fund.
In bursa efek saham. Or market stock exchange, and
Yeah.
also crypto.
Ooh,
Yes,
crypto.
crypto. You
Bitcoin.
yes, you need to find passive income, like freelance, or just what I say, invest. Yeah, it's really hard enough right now due to our government policies right now. Is
Okay.
make us even harder to achieve financial freedom.
It's hardest.
Yes,
Yes.
it's really hard right now in Indonesia. I don't know in
Mm.
other countries like Sweden or North America,
Mhm.
like Canada or USA.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
It's a very deep explanation. I like it.
Yes. Am I in prison right now?
Yeah. Okay. My next question is, everyone, of course, everybody, have a strong willing to be financial freedom, but the question is how to get financial freedom in your perspective. Yes, do you get the point? In
Yep.
okay, you.
Huh?
Yeah, you. What? How we will get
Financial freedom.
financial freedom on your private personal
Yeah.
perspective?
In my personal perspective, yeah.
Your way.
I will, yeah, absolutely work hard
Mm-hmm.
and save the money for the future,
Okay.
and I will use it when I really need it.
Okay.
Uh,
For example.
For example, I save my money for buying like a laptop, buying a handphone.
Digital
Yeah.
properties like a
Yeah.
gadget.
Yeah, like a gadget.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Only that?
Yeah.
Do you still have a way, another way? I mean, like like saham or something like that.
I about saham, yeah. I don't really understand.
Okay. So you have a perspective, but the perspective is like
Yeah,
simplicity, right?
Yeah. Simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep your statement. I
Okay.
move to you again.
Okay.
So what is your how do you get the financial freedom?
How to achieve financial freedom?
Yes, achieve. Yes.
Okay. Well, me myself, I have a target. Can I share it
You
to
might-
viewers
okay,
at
you
home?
may share. Okay.
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 So my target is
First
first of all 20th year to 30th year.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, achieve a good paying job, like above the minimum wage,
Okay.
like 5 million, 10 million.
Mhm.
How to achieve that? You must invest in your skill, in
Mhm.
yourself,
Mhm.
become valuable member or valuable workers.
Mhm.
And once you achieve that, around 20th year,
Because the value will follow your price.
yes,
Right?
yes, exactly. So now you have money at
Uh-huh.
30th year. How do I say this? 30 years old. Yeah,
Okay.
at 30 years old, you have
Uh-huh.
money.
Mhm.
Where to spend this money? Do you have it for hanging out as
Okay.
Gen Z or
Mhm.
healing or something?
Mhm.
No. This is where you limit your spending and start investing in an active stock or financial product.
For
Like
example,
index
financial product
fund,
like
Stock,
Mhm.
gold. Some people use gold.
Yeah,
It will go up in value So your money
Mm-hmm.
doesn't get doesn't get cut by inflation.
Mm-hmm.
It's still growing, and you're still very young,
What about
30 to 40.
yeah, what about the skill? Like a value you say, for
Mhm.
example, what will you do about your skill? What kind of skill do you want to create to make high your value?
Just focus on your field. Become an expert in one
Okay.
job
Okay.
or two or three.
For example,
Doesn't matter.
if you are
That's
digital
about you.
marketing,
Focus on
you
that.
have to be reached to expert of digital
Mhm,
marketing,
mhm.
right?
Yeah. You work
Okay.
in tourism. Focus on
Mhm.
tourism.
You're tourism,
Work in-
right?
Me personally, yes, I'm
Uh-huh.
tourism.
Uh-huh.
You work in technology, tech,
Mhm.
computer. Focus on that.
Mhm.
Because everybody would say, okay, this my field is good. My field is much more paying. But
Mhm.
don't follow people. Follow yourself.
Mhm.
Okay, so no.
Like
One more.
yourself. Because you are always a body move when you say when you're speaking like this. Okay, I very like it.
Okay, so by 40 years here, you have
Mhm.
investment, you have your skill.
Okay.
And finally, at 50 years old, you could live off from passive income from your
Mhm.
stock.
15
And-
or 50?
50 years old.
50. Okay.
I mean, who doesn't want to get retired at 50 years old?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I would. Some people doesn't get retired. Some people still work until they die. Do you want to work till you die? That's a question you should answer.
Okay.
Thank you. That is my plan,
Okay.
personally.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's impressive. Okay, move to you again,
Yes.
Fadel. Yeah. Maybe you can like underline again, once again, make a strong statement. Because this is a repetition statement also, but you may improve, you may combine, you may explore, elaborate your explanation about how do you achieve, you get the financial freedom.
Man, for your information, y'all, I'm right now having unemployed right now, so I cannot think
You are
having
unemployed,
a plan
but
to
you are rich.
financial freedom. Not really though. Yeah.
His dad is rich.
Not really though, because we're right now having a survivor mode right now. Wait, when I say financial, I should not to say something about financial because it was so sensitive, but that's fine though.
Uh-huh.
I'm really about that. If I had wages right now or having a job, even though it's not not have minimum standard wage, I try to like spending less on transportation, like
Mhm.
if you want to go in short distance, like go to mosque
Mhm.
or go to somewhere else, instead using motorcycles or private vehicle,
Mhm.
you just need to walk, or you need to ride a bicycle, or yes, this is also our government policies.
Mm. I agree.
I need please, we need more public transportation right now.
Oh my God.
Because it will make us achieve our financial freedom. Yes, so we don't spend more on repairing, maintenance in
yeah.
our private
Yeah.
vehicle right now, but we are also feel comfort not to something to thinking more or trying something. I don't know what to say. It's just I'm
Okay.
right now. I'm having breakfast right now, and also I tend to invest right now. But although it's just as long as I don't have a job and don't have money on it, is kind of why is it so sad to me? I need to.
But you are wealth.
I'm not really. Oh yeah, I also forgot.
Okay.
In
Yes,
standard
right.
factor is also you need your parent well enough to teach you how to
Pewaris, yeah?
yes, you need heritage, yeah.
Heritage,
So
yes.
for those who get married right now, you should work hard even more to get money right now. Yes, because
Okay.
we
You
don't
wanna see
know.
money?
We don't know what if the future.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Say it's just
Yes, yeah, something like that. Right now, it's similar, right?
yes.
Okay, okay, it's deep. Again, deep
Yes,
explanation.
it's too deep for us.
Yes,
For me.
great. Yeah. My next question. We were talking about the obstacle to get money. Yeah, of course, we're talking about financial freedom. It's not easy, man, right? To be financial freedom. So the simple things. Let we make it simple. What is the obstacle actually? What is in the reality in the field? What is the obstacle to get a lot of money? Of course, we have each other have a problem, have a obstacle how to get a lot of money. Yeah, because it's very hard to get a lot of money, guys. Yeah. You again. In
Okay.
your mind, your imagination, maybe in another people's that you see in an outside, what is the obstacle to get a lot of money?
Okay, the obstacles of to achieve financial freedom is,
Mhm.
as long as having FOMO mindset of fear of missing out,
Yes.
it will be hard to achieve that. Like spending or something viral, like Labubu,
La
or
boo boo. Labu labu.
yes,
Boo boo.
or
Uh-huh.
things like viral, coffee or
Mhm.
foods, something viral, and also, I don't know what to say. It's in digital world, like social media is also affect us to hard to achieve
Mhm.
financial freedom. So we
Mhm.
need to JOMO is joy of missing out. So you don't need to
Ah.
worry. So you don't need to worry about your friends
Mhm.
spend the viral one. Instead,
Mhm.
you need to joy because it will make us feel like, oh wow, I really regret that or gratitude, or if I don't buy that thing because
Mhm.
yeah,
Mhm.
that's something
Don't
like
be like something going banana or fear
yes,
of missing out, right?
yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, thank you. What about you? The obstacle to get a lot of money in reality?
Mhm.
Yeah,
Oh, me or him?
you.
Oh, me. Okay, the obstacle. There will be a lot of obstacle. There will be a lot of them.
Mhm.
I'm agreeing with Mr.
Fadel.
Fadel.
Yes.
We didn't get to know each other's.
That's fine though.
Mhm.
But let me elaborate your idea. But yeah, it's good. It's good to miss out.
Mhm.
Just don't follow everybody. Don't follow influencer for the sake of them. Just because it's
Do
people
not
trying
panic
to follow.
buying,
Yeah,
right?
panic buying, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
But basically, just do stupid stuff. Don't do it, guys.
Stupid stuff.
Be responsible with your money. Money is hard to come by, especially with a lot of
Uh-huh.
obstacle.
Mhm.
The obstacle, for
Yes.
example, the wages is very not competitive. It's very low.
Mhm.
The inflations keep rising.
Inflation.
Inflation level. There is inflation level, and then our skill,
Mm.
our
Please.
skilled worker. Not many
No, no,
skilled
no, no.
worker in
Please.
Indonesia.
Deflation. Because you're talking about inflation, so I say please
Mhm.
deflation. Our
But-
government deflation. Turunkan harga, turunkan terus menerus.
Deflations.
Oh my
also
god.
worse.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, a lot of obstacle.
Mhm.
But if I were to give you advice, just and not work hard. I'm not gonna give you the simple things. Work hard, work harder, work smarter. Find out more opportunities to you.
Mm. Like maybe
Yours.
working in outside and abroad, like we have favor credit visa or
Yes, might be one of the things.
that is
Go
one
outside,
of
find
alternative.
opportunities.
Yes,
basically,
yes.
like Japan is hiring, Korea is hiring,
Mhm.
Australia. There's a
Mhm.
job down there. If you
Mhm.
want a job down there, but if you want to keep in Indonesia,
Mhm.
well, become a skilled worker. People need a skilled worker,
Mhm.
and if you have a good value,
Yeah.
they will hire you.
Like me?
Of course, sir, of course.
No.
My guy is the best, the best
No,
in
no,
this
no, no.
field. Yeah, there's
To breaking the
obstacle.
ice. Only through breaking the ice. Come on, continue.
But if you're what to say again, if you are the best in your field, then everybody will come looking for you, and you have will not work
Apa?
a day.
Mhm.
What?
Mhm.
Will not work a day in your life. Do
Mhm.
what you do best. Work for your passion.
Mm.
I heard once somebody told me
Mhm.
like this, like, you gotta try out everything in life, man. Don't limit yourself to one thing.
Yes.
You gotta try out the best. The worst you can experience
Yeah.
is that you don't like the thing.
Okay.
At least you try it. But which you never know which one that will bring you the most of benefit in
Say to the
life.
camera, you should to try it.
Hmm?
Trust me.
Yeah, trust me. Yeah,
Enough?
maybe enough.
Okay, enough. Okay, give your statement.
Try it.
Okay, try it. I move to Brian. Do you get a point? The question,
Okay,
or
the obstacle,
may I
yeah.
still repeat? Yeah, the obstacle how to get a lot of money.
Okay. I will explain. The obstacle to get more money, yeah.
More, yes.
Yes. Because the important one is you are the lazy one. Yeah, because
Come on.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah. If you just how to say,
Mm.
if you just stay in the home,
Oh.
stay up in the house,
It's not
and
works.
just rest, take a rest. You yeah,
Your house is a rest area.
Yeah.
Isn't
Yeah.
it?
and if you like have a job,
Mhm.
just keep doing it. I mean, just choose what you want.
Okay.
Don't like
To not follow.
don't follow the people who are who want to like say to you like follow me, don't
Like
you,
in
you, you,
an
yeah, you have to try
inappropriate.
this, you have to try this,
Yeah.
yeah, just deny it. I mean, just keep focus on yourself, on your job,
Your passion.
your passion, your
Mhm.
skill.
Mhm.
That's the way you will be like the success one.
Okay. Okay.
Don't care about the people say.
Okay. So the point is when you get focused, of
You
course
will-
you will
The
get.
money will focus on you.
Yes, the money will follow you.
Yeah.
If you
Yes,
focus,
that's the
focus,
one.
focus, and focus, satu titik, terus focus, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, like Asian Games theme song. Yeah. Okay, kidding. Come on, pass. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, give a applause for
Okay.
us for our mood booster. Yes. Okay, my next question is actually, which one is better?
What
As
is
a financial planner, to be financial freedom, which one is better? Women or man? And why? Which one is better? Woman or man as a financial planner, as a financial freedom? Which one is deserve? Which one is deserve, man or women? Do you get the
What?
point?
Managing
The
finance?
everything about the financial plan, managing, spending money, get a
Mhm.
lot of or more money, everything about the
I
financial
mean,
freedom.
who is
Better.
the better
Yes,
chance to
in
achieve
in
financial freedom?
every aspect. Do you get the
Okay.
point?
I get it.
In every aspect about money.
Who is
Which-
better?
Yeah, who is? You guys have
Which
to.
one's better?
Yeah, guys have to be honest about this.
Uh,
But on your perspective, not
Okay.
but not in another perspective. On your
Okay.
private account. Okay, I'll start from you.
Me.
Yes.
Okay, me again.
Which one is better?
Which one?
And
male or
why?
Female is having the better chance.
Which one?
in managing? Okay, it's female.
Female.
Okay, it's
Why?
not fair because
Why?
there's no female speaker. Come on, go girl. You gotta speak up for yourself.
Okay, why? Why?
But I said female because have you ever know or hear about one mother goes to the market with $50?
Mm-hmm.
They could bring a lot of stuff back home.
Mm-hmm.
But when a father goes to the market
Only-
bringing 50
Only
bucks,
2 items.
only 2 items. Like,
Uh-huh.
how can you not manage that
Uh-huh.
much money? I mean,
Uh-huh.
your wife could do it. You
Uh-huh.
cannot do it.
Uh-huh.
That's one simple,
Mhm.
simple questions.
And another
Simple
argument.
example.
Another argument. Do you still have
Uh,
another
I
argument?
have another argument.
What
sure.
are they? Come
Okay,
on.
why females are better? Well, females are much more good at what is the opposite of spending again?
Saving.
Yep.
Okay.
Female
Earn,
are much
saving.
better at saving
Mm-hmm.
since they try to look and count for the better futures or save up for
Mhm.
something. I mean, seriously though, most my friends,
Mm-hmm.
I see
Mm-hmm.
background friends,
Mhm.
people around me, and a lot of icon or
Mm-hmm.
influencer about
Mhm.
financial stuff.
Yes.
All women.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's because they said it themselves.
Mm-hmm.
It is because they're natures and they know how to spend it much more efficiently than we
Okay.
do.
But come on, first of all, I would like to say that, women have a lot of complicated, necessary, like a skincare. They're spending a lot of time.
Okay.
They want to looks immortal of beauty, something like that. So there is no limitation. They spending the money, but
Mhm.
the man is only a few items that
Okay.
they need. But woman, oh my God, see the reality. How do you think about it? How do you think about it?
Okay, that would be interesting
Uh-huh.
point of view,
Mhm.
let's say. But to counter that questions,
Yes.
well, men also maybe
Only
you
a few
said-
items they need.
Okay, a few items.
Yes, but
necessities.
the women.
But they have hobbies.
Uh-huh.
Hobbies that are very expensive, guys.
Ah, okay.
Tons of hobbies. So they make up for their spending by
Mhm.
smoking,
Mm-hmm.
maybe. There's a bad habit and an expensive hobby as well. Smoking. You ever heard
Play golf.
smoking, play golf, buying stupid stuff.
You say
Golfing.
stupid stuff.
Stupid stuff like online gambling,
Okay.
chips. Come on, guys. It's
Mhm.
like you're not in Vegas. You're poor.
You are not get full.
It's better to eat. So yeah,
I already
men
eat them.
are regularly much more irresponsible with
Yeah,
money than
yeah.
women. I mean, women
Mhm.
they only buy what they need,
Mhm.
skincare, and they need skincare.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. What about you? What about you, Fadel? Which one is better?
Well, in terms of that,
Uh,
I actually agree with Mr. Fauzan.
Why?
About women, because
Uh-huh.
women tend to, having instinct, like
Mhm.
survival skills to, yes, they have instinct,
Okay.
to, you know, how to earn and spend, and also saving. And when I, just as an example, my
Yeah.
mom was, accounting
Mhm.
study, even though she doesn't finish, but they learn about how to allocate their family some kind of wealth to how to spend, like accommodation is the credit, you spend 1,500 and so on and so on. So after look at it, she decide to spend less more, and the stepping for
Once again, say
Huh?
Once again, say
you know
Say I don't know.
Oh, I'm
That's
Okay,
okay.
go on, go on.
right
Continue,
now.
continue.
I don't know.
Yeah. Any else?
Uh,
You give your statement.
I think it's enough for me.
Okay.
It's
What is
just-
your conclusion for this evening about our topic? Your
Man,
conclusion.
I had a lot of insight for y'all guys from
Uh-huh.
Sir Sam,
Thank you.
Mr. Fauzan, and Mr. Rian.
Thank you.
So, in conclusion, financial freedom is having complex and multifaceted.
Mhm.
You don't it's not just external factors like financial literacy,
Yeah.
or discipline, or you need support system, or you
Definitely.
need it's depend on government, but also you need to had a plan and motivation to uh have to debt free,
Uh-huh.
or something like, oh god, am I having a breakthrough right now?
No, no,
Why
no,
is it
no, no.
coming
Come
right
on, come
now?
on. Continue, continue.
uh I don't know what to say. It's
Uh-huh.
just it's hard to think of it.
Uh-huh.
uh and also um you, we need to
And the most important, keep moving forward. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry,
What do you think? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Oh, okay. The conclusion for this evening. So, if you want to financial freedom, yeah,
Mhm.
just focus on your job.
Mhm.
Don't waste your money too much.
Okay.
And
Like Cincelara?
Cinceleme.
Okay, continue, continue.
Okay. Yeah. Don't waste your money too much. Save save your money for your
Okay.
future.
And the most important
And then
is don't
keep
waste your time.
keep moving forward.
Okay. Don't waste your time. Love you no more. It's like a song. Okay, come on. Your closing statement, not conclusion. Closing statement. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
It
Come on,
doesn't
come
ask
on.
you a
We have a
conclusion.
limit time.
Okay. Closing statement.
Yeah, closing statement.
For me, young people out there, you have time. Use that time to build financial freedom.
Mhm.
You have all the times in the world. Use it to build your wealth and pass it down to your next generation.
Okay. And the most important
Be
is kamu bisa
responsible.
kaya, saya bisa kaya, kita bisa kaya.
Hidup, hidup, hidup.
Okay, giving applause for us. Thank you guys for coming here. Thank you, Brian from BPEC. Thank you, yeah, Fauzan from PMEC. Thank you, Fadel from
Meta.
Meta. Yeah,
Yes.
thank you guys. Yeah. That's all our conversation or discussion about our topic, and the topic is financial freedom. And always, yeah, listen and watch Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration, especially in our English program, Smart of Your Life, English discussion with English communities every Wednesday on 7 p.m. sharp. And see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.